Okay, here we are. Welcome back, Tophat Smoking Barbecue. As you can see, we have a full packer brisket. So what we're going to do tonight is something a little different than our traditional way we've been doing briskets. I got this from Malcolm Reed on How to Barbecue Right. Go check his channel out. He's got great videos. We're going to put this brisket in the pellet grill overnight at about 195 degrees. Get up about 8 o'clock in the morning. Come out, we're going to wrap it in butcher paper, and then we're going to cook it for another 7 hours or 8 hours. This thing should be some kind of fantastic. Butcher paper is going to help keep the bark versus the foil where it steams it and you just get that soggy bark. So that's what the plan is. So we're going to trim off all this fat that these briskets come with. So we'll do some trimming and we'll come back and show you what we got in our next step before we put it to bed until later tonight when we're going to put it in the pellet grill. So we'll see you in a shortly. Okay, here we are. We've trimmed it up best as we can. Got all this fat off of there, as much as we want it. Some fat is flavor, as they say. So we're going to do just salt and pepper. That's all we're doing is our rub. So I sprayed a little spray here just for a little binder, just apple juice and some apple juice cider vinegar. So we're just going to hit it with the salt and pepper. Lots of pepper. We're going to create that nice bark that we're going to be looking for. So we're going to really load it up with pepper. Get as much as we want it to really be covered. Make sure we get the sides here. Really get it. So we're gonna come behind a little kosher salt. Load it up with the salt too. Got the next door neighbor's dogs barking, but it's part of living out in the world. Bug on me. That's part of living out in the world too. So we're getting the salt and pepper all over it. We'll get both sides. Alright. Flip her over here. Look at this side. Spread her down. So what you get, salt and pepper, as you can see, on both sides. Then all we're going to do is wrap this, and then we're going to come back out here around 10:30 tonight and get ready to put it in the pellet grill. So we'll see you out here around 10:30. Alright, here we are. We're back out here. It's almost 11 o'clock. Got the smoker set on 195. Brisket's looking good. We are going to put it in there. We're going to put it fat side up for tonight. Just let that fat render down. So we're going to take her over here to the smoker. We're going to put the flat this side, point this side, let that smoke roll right over top, the hotter side over here. So take a good look at it, because that's the last time we're going to see it for about the next 8-9 hours. So see you in the morning. This ought to be cool. Alright, good morning. Back out here. It's been well, about 8 hours. It's a little bit after 8. So I'll show you what we had here. We were using hickory pellets and we were almost full. So we've used about a quarter hopper. So not too bad for 8 hours of cooking. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on in here. Alright, we're looking pretty damn good. So we'll take a temp. I thought it'd be about 150, and it's 150, 253. Perfect, right where we want it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put it over here on this butcher paper. Alright. Right there like that. I'm going to insert this probe, it's the meter probe. Nobody's ever used one of these. These are pretty nice. Insert it right up to that notch. I guess I'll go right down here like that. Just like that. And then that'll be our temperature probe. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and wrap this sucker. just like that. Put this over under here like this. Put him under here like that. Just like that. There we go. I'll put it right back in there. It's going to sleep for, I'll put that probe, there's the probe right there. So that's where it's going to be for the next 6, 7, 8 hours, whatever it takes. We are going to crank the heat up though to 250. We've gotten all the low and slow we need, so now we're kind of steaming it and getting it up. So we're going to take this up to 205 degrees, the brisket. So we're going to take, so there we go. 250, brisket's wrapped. We're going to take it to its 205. Take it out, we'll show it to you. Show what we're going to do then. So we'll see you in about 7, 8 hours. Okay, here we are, back at it. It's 3:30 in the afternoon, so we're 16 plus hours. We've reached our temperature with our meter gauge of 205 degrees. So we're going to pull this sucker out. Woohoo! Look at that. Open him up, see what we got. Woo! Looking good in there, looking good. There's our brisket. We're going to transfer it over there. Look at that nice bark on there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to wrap this in foil. We're going to put it in our cooler. We have a camera, but same difference. And we're going to put it in there for a minimum of 1 hour. 2 is even better. So look at that sucker. He's jiggling like a crazy person. See that? This is the flat. And look how this is the point. That thing just wants to separate. That thing's going to make your brain fly out of your head when you're trying to eat. So we're going to take it over here. We're going to put it in the pan, bro. Back up, Jackson. Follow me out. There we go. Put it in the pan, bro. We're going to let it sit in here for a minimum of 1 hour. So we'll see you back when we decide to eat this thing. Okay, here we are. We're back out here. We've been letting this rest. We've been letting it rest 2 hours. See what we got here. And it is looking ridiculous. So let's take it off here. We're going to bring it right over here. Oh my God. So what we're going to do is we're going to start cutting our slices out of the flat against the grain. So, and that's got a nice bark on it. Let me get a couple big pieces going on. Look at that smoke ring, Jackson. Come on. Looking good, man. Looking good. Look at that. Here's your old bend test that they do. Give it a pull. Look at that. Pulls right apart. That's really, man, that's crazy good. Overnight brisket, Grilla Grills silverback pellet grill. 16 hours later, that's what you get. That's some really good brisket. You gotta try it. Thanks again to Malcolm Reed, How to Barbecue Right, with the idea how to do this. There you go, guys. We'll see you next time. Tophat Smoking Barbecue. See you. Hey, hope you liked that video. It was a lot of fun to make. Hope you guys try it out. If you'd like to subscribe, click here. If you want to watch some more videos, click here. So Tophat Smoking Barbecue, we thank you.